Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make neon text effect in Canva, what you need to do. But before that, if you want to master Canva, try Skillshare for free for 1 month and find amazing classes to post your Canva designs. Sign up now. I will leave the link in the description below. Let's get started. How to make neon text effect in Canva. First, you need to go to Canva and log into your account, and then in the search bar just type the design or the size you want. For example, Facebook post, and then create blank, and then go to elements and type in the search bar neon, and here we choose photos and just scroll down and choose the photo you like. Okay, for example this one, and then right click, set image as background, and after that go to text, add a heading, and here type neon, and then just increase the size, and after that go to effects, and here choose neon, and then change the text color. We here click the plus icon and then pink. Okay, we can move this little bit here, and then change the font. Just go here and here just type neon, neon on this one, and here just resize it. After that just click share and then download, and then download again. This is what you need to do if you want to make neon text effect in Canva. I hope this video is helpful, and please subscribe to my channel if you have found value in this video. That will help me to grow and will help my followers to find my future video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.